I had four criteria for myself for choosing a business. It should be a combination of what am I good at? Plus, it's not just me who thinks I'm good at this skill. Everybody around me also should acknowledge it. And I'm able to bring real value to my customers. And I should be able to do it for a long time without getting bored. In my quest of finding that perfect niche, I took up so many career tests, self awareness quizzes. I even came up with my own test. And finally, I had three business areas in which I had to choose from. The first one was business analysis, product owner area. See, I have around 8 years of solid experience as a BA, and I've helped so many business analysts within my organization and outside to start their business analysis career. I knew this was a very hot market, but when I asked myself that if I could do this for a really long time, the answer was no, I cannot do this for the next 15 years. The second area, which I had finalized on, was career consulting. Was very passionate about people's career. So if you're meeting me for the first time, I'll definitely try to ask you that how did you come here? What is your story? What are the struggles that you have faced? I wanted to be a coach or a consultant who help people with their career issues, to get that perfect LinkedIn profile, to understand what are they good at. The problem here in this area was I still had a lot to learn and I would not be able to give that very good value to my customers. Number three area was communication and expression. I've always loved speaking in public. And as I started working, I realized that it's your interpersonal skills, your communication skills that helps you grow as a person and a team. I was researching a lot about different techniques and how to improve on that aspect, and I was applying that in my day to day life. What I noticed that people around me started appreciating me for having these skills and for speaking so effectively. Now the main question was what in this field? What in communication? Do I become a speaker? I start my own training business or I create my own YouTube channel? What? I started off becoming a speaker myself. I attended multiple speaking events. I started talking about business analysis and motivational stuffs. In parallel, I was myself taking a lot of coaching and training on speaking. What I noticed when I went to these tech events or conferences that I would listen to all these speakers, amazing content. Their content was so great, but it was PPT that was doing all the talking. The speaker, there was no engagement, there was no connection with the audience, there were no strong takeaways. The PPT and the speaker, the content was just not aligning. I knew I could help these people and I genuinely wanted to with whatever I had learned. And I knew this was not going to be done with just one video or creating one course. I had to work with these people, coach them to get that fear out of them. And that's how I finalized that I wanted to become a coach in the area of communication. If I have to sum it all up, I can say that finding my area of business was the most difficult part for me. But after finalizing it, getting over that imposter syndrome that yes, I can become a coach is a topic for another video altogether. Also, now when I'm working with my clients, I've realized that this niche is ever expanding. So even if you have a lot of material, even if you think you have perfected your niche, you need to be prepared on specific challenges that your customer is facing. So there is no point over preparing for your area of business. It's better to get in and learn while you grow. So that's it for today. Thank you for all the appreciation and love on my previous video. I am so happy that I was able to resonate with so many of you and I'm able to express about this business with all of you here today. Also, if you feel like you're in a situation where you're stuck on how to express your work or ideas, then take that step today to learn how to express. Reach out to people who can help you.